Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do a like cute no makeup look. Really hot here, so I still like wearing a little bit if I go out, you know, run errands or whatever. So I'm going to be using this Butter London palette that I got in my BoxyCharm box. So these are the colors. Ooh, it's so pretty. Haven't used it yet, so I'm really excited. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. And yeah, I'm gonna jump right into the video. So I moisturize my face. I'm not gonna use foundation today, but I am going to use concealer. I did my brows already. I'm really just going to do underneath. And yes, I still use Shapetape because this is still my holy grail concealer. And I love it so much. Yeah, I don't use eyeshadow primer really ever. I don't put as much concealer as I used to, because I don't use foundation, and I just use like bronzer and blush and stuff and just kind of keep it really simple. No, it's just too hot to be wearing all that makeup all the time, so I'm just trying to keep things as simple as possible. So I'm just still taking that brush that I blended my concealer with under my brow, just to blend the concealer under my eye out. Why does it seem like this side has way more? That's okay. And then I still use, this is Cover FX in medium, and I use this to set my eyes and under eye. So just a little bit, just enough to set it. So I'm gonna do my bronzer, and this is Sun Glow. I definitely got this from Shopmissa Shimmer bronzer. This. And then I have some blush as well. This is a Lumi blush, So Close, as well, from Shopmissa. I love Shopmissa. So now I'm gonna go into my eyes, which I'm really excited about using this palette. Because the colors are really pretty. Really pretty. So, I what I should go in with first. Maybe I will go in first with, I think this one's called Diva. Ooh. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna go first in with Diva. I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna get Diva and put that on my eye. See how this turns out. I have no idea. First of all, a lot. Ooh, I kind of really like this. Yes, actually, I really do like this. So I'm actually gonna take the same big brush, same brush, and I'm gonna go into this darker color, and this is called Temptress. I can't read. Just a tiny bit. Ooh, a lot of pigment. Just dabbing. And just trying to get the corner blended out. Beautiful, beautiful colors too. There's a little bit of fallout, but I'm okay with that. It's not crumbling out. It's just a lot of pigment. And then I'm gonna add this to the bottom as well. I'm just grabbing a smaller brush to help get that darker color closer to my lash line on the bottom. And then I'm going to take, I don't know what should be my eye corner. I think I'm gonna take this one. And this one is called Enchantress. Let's go like, ooh, it's shimmer. Yeah. No. Ooh. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna take that and put that on my inner corner. To my top lid and bottom. Now I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and I use the Benefit RollerLash, and Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Did the other side. So now for my lips, I have chapstick on, which I have Lemon Mint from Dabs of Love. I will put a link to her Instagram down below. I love all her products. And I use her chapstick all the time, like as moisturizer in between not wearing like lip gloss or lipstick or whatever on my lips. But I have this small little MAC in the color Whirl. Let's see if the color shows up on my lips. No, it's like my lip color. But I guess it evens it out. It's fine. I mean, for this look. Yeah, guys, so this is the look. Really fast, really easy. You could throw on lashes if you want to. Me, I'm not going to. I kind of like this look for what it is. It really looks like it took longer than it did, and it really didn't. So I definitely want to use makeup look using this color right here. Definitely. And Star. Definitely. So, ooh, maybe these. And Queen is really pretty too. But so far, I love this palette. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos because I will have them coming. And yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye!